Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna talk about Tradestation versus Tradovate, which is the best trading platform. If you're trying to decide between Tradestation and Tradovate, here's what you need to know. Tradestation is all-in-one trading platform built for serious traders. You get access to stocks, options, and futures with advanced charting, custom indicators, and powerful backtesting tools. It's great for those who want a deep research, complex order types, and robust analysis. It offers multiple pricing plans, including commission-free trading for stocks and a powerful desktop experience. But Tradestation isn't for everyone. The platform can be overwhelming for beginners. There are fees if you don't meet trading minimums, and it's not as mobile-friendly as other platforms. Now, Tradovate is a different beast. It's cloud-based, mobile-friendly, and designed specifically for futures traders. It's fast with minimum lag, and has commission-free futures trading with a flat rate monthly plans. You get clean charts, a simple interface, and useful tools like Market Replay for testing strategies. However, Tradovate is futures focused, so if you want to trade stocks or options, it's not the best fit. The charting is also less advanced than Tradestation, and to unlock the best pricing, you'll need a subscription. So, the final verdict: go with Tradestation if you want powerful, all-in-one platform for serious trading across multiple assets. Choose Tradovate if you're a dedicated futures trader who values speed, simplicity, and flat fee pricing. Tradestation means versatility and power, and Tradovate is all about speed and focus. Let me know in the comment section below which one will you choose. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.